So, we're not in the unit, we're in the trusty truck, aren't we? Jack's on camera, Dave, Dave took a tablet. I don't know if he took the wrong tablet, but we was banging his door down this morning.
I thought he died.
Yeah, we thought he died. So, yeah, he was asleep in bed.
But if we're in the truck, it can only mean one thing, can't it?
One of you lovely subscribers have come and approached us, dropped us a message. He had a car for sale. So, yeah, we're going to go and have a look at that. So, yeah, we're buying another car. You may see it in the thumbnail. I don't know. I don't know what Jack's going to do with the thumbnail. We're on the way down now. We're not that far off, so hopefully this guy's okay with us filming when we get there. And I think he's got a bit of a treat for us when we get there as well.
Might see some more.
Might see, yeah.
We had another one of them tablets,
Right, we're with Lyle now, our new mate, subscriber, who's reached out to us. And this is the lovely Mitsubishi AirTech.
Yeah, AirTech, AirTrack.
The secret with this, it runs an Evo engine. So hopefully this may be part of the getting my Evo back on the road with using this engine. So I need a new block, don't I? So yeah, Dave's took it for a spin. Found out you can change gear on the steering wheel, which you found it hilarious.
But it was the volume.
He did want to do a donut on some grass up there. I said, Dave, we've just turned up at this bloke's house, got me donutting on some green somewhere.
Just before we bought it.
Anyway, other little secret what we said. Look, for you Sierra Cosworth lovers. So we've been chatting with Lyle. He didn't want to be in camera, fair enough. This Sierra Sapphire isn't a standard Sierra Sapphire. I mean, he's running 635 brake horsepower in this thing, and that out of an old Pinto engine is a lot. But he's just been explaining to me, saying that I'm probably going to get all this wrong, but he said it's a Sierra small turbo block, late car block. I think that's stronger, different pistons, ported and polished head. This engine fully built. The turbo, I can't remember what he said, but he said it's quite a new turbo. It's a Bog Warner, so it's quite a modern turbo. So like I was saying to him earlier, what with these older cars, with these big, you get big turbo lag and that, but with these newer turbos, they get rid of the lag and they can run big power. K20 coil packs conversion, because I was having this problem in mine. When you get big power, it starts blowing the spark out, and with the old, is it Dizzy Cap and bloody coil? I don't think they have Dizzy Cap on these. They have the coil, don't they? But it starts blowing the spark out. Different intercooler. Everything, gearbox, straight cut gearbox. It's got a super rear diff, I think he said. Yeah. So the whole engine and running gear on this car is not standard. Like I was saying to him, when I first built my Evo engine and everything, you get the engine, but then you need different intercooler, you need different this, different clutch, different that, because all the standard stuff just doesn't take it. Inlet's completely different. Everything. He's going to take Dave out now, he's scaring the pants off him, so I would not. It's rear wheel drive as well. It's at 603 brake horsepower through the rear wheel. So,
we'll send Dave out, he didn't get a report. We'll give him the camera.
He did have a blue one, he said, but he writ it off, and it was a similar spec to this, power wise. And he said he crashed it. Don't tell the police this, but he said he's crashed it at 150 miles an hour.
It was on a private drag strip.
That was it, private drag strip. He crashed it at 150 miles. I think he's a ghost, because I don't know how this geezer's standing here talking to us now.
Pull his foot down. Then we were just coming around the island and we've just seen a DB4 and a Denon. Mate, about four. Mate, Ascot's on down there, he's saying. Ascot, yeah. Honestly, rapid. start getting a bit scared. Yeah. Right, and I was like, please don't keep going, please don't.
And this was all on his driving.
Yeah, this is all down the drag strip, this job.
So is it right?
Mexico, that's the one, isn't it? Mexico.
Mexico, yeah. So Dave's been Mexico, he's fresh back from Mexico. Yeah. The sticker on the back, can people take the mick out of that or not? Bit of an animal.
Mate, he is an animal. 100%.
He said he's impressed, mate. He's like a cigar holder.
Oh mate, you seen how it all unfold?
Is this Meg's new car?
Yeah, he's gonna love this, mate.
I can picture Ronnie in there. He's just getting excited, isn't he?
Doubled in engine, I might use that. Yeah, it's got all the
Yeah, we had a look, it's got good service history
Really?
up until 2015. Where's the sport
I
button?
don't know, I'm trying to find it now. Where's the traction button? I've got one, isn't there?
Hey, it's got 310 brake.
Nah,
It's got to do.
it's not there.
You know, I know this is a rally car. It says it on the number plate, it says Rally Art.
There you go then. Is that where the extra 200 brake is coming from?
Is that, it's like the Porsche, you know, the boost gauge of the clock.
Where's the traction button stuff?
Mate, I don't need the ABS don't work so the traction won't. I feel the boost in there. Oh, it's got a bit of juice there.
It's quicker now!
I think it's definitely a probably or two.
I think the suspension might be a strut and that might.
There's a rattle right here. Why is the seat so far back?
Rinky G leaning them, isn't there?
Dave's driving like a fucking manual.
I know.
Shifting through them gears.
I've got my shifters here, lads.
If you've got DSG, no, what, you might have to go like left up here and straddle it. Do you want me to watch you?
Let's see. What's a nice thing?
Oh, what's that noise?
Engine's got out. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Don't see you in the middle of the field.
I'm thinking like it has power, then not. See?
What a drift.
It's like, you know what? It seems to have like a lot of power, then not.
Mate, it's weird. Once you get it
Yeah.
sliding, it like slides at 200 miles an hour.
That's what that is.
Watch out.
How the hell did I get over here?
Let's have to see the moon, haven't we?
Lyle was it?
Well,
Yeah, I bet Lyle didn't realise he had an off-roader like this.
it's fast reversing.
I think it is. I think it's 310 braking in race mode.
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah. Look at his little popple on it.
If that was manual, you would have got away.
We didn't even look round it and like filmed.
Do you need to?
Do you not want to show them, like, what's up with it?
It's an air trip. I've never seen one, have you?
Exactly.
Yeah, but it's wicked though, isn't it?
It's alright actually, it just needs to be manual.
Yeah. Got an idea. What? Take the manual gearbox out of my Evo, put it in man.
I've got a gearbox. I know it's in a Subaru, isn't it? Come on, mate.
So you got Subaru gearbox?
Your mum got a Subaru gearbox.
What did I say about your mum's like? It's on the board or something.
I'll rub it off.
Yeah, we're happy with our new purchase. I did a couple of little drifts. I think we need to make, I think we should make a track so we can make a little rally course. I know this is kind of going to be a park car for my Evo. We're kind of probably going to wreck it before it even makes that far, but...
Yeah, was your OCD kicking in then, mate?
Yeah, don't like it though.
Well, I think it's nice. It's a rare old beast.
We collect things that there's only 4 of in each country, don't we?
Yeah. We literally signed up to like the Air Trek Owners Club. It's like in the UK, it's like 178 or something like that.
But I think if you join the Kenya one, I think there's a couple of more there.
Well, they're big in Kenya, these.
Apparently.
Is that what it is? Yeah.
Got their own owners club, so.
Have that? Can you know this club?
I like it, man. Right, so bit different. Hope you liked Lyle's.
Lyle?
Lionel.
Lyle.
Is it Lionel? Lionel.
Yeah, Lionel.
Lionel Richard.
I thought about saying it.
Fuck, we've been Lyle, man. Get me sold as a nice motor.
You called it Lionel Richard.
You called it. Anyway, Lyle, thank you, mate.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's a great bloke. He's getting a t-shirt any day.
Yeah.
So he took Dave out in his
660 braids.
620.
No,
635.
Oh, what? You sure?
35. Yeah.
Oh, Cosworth.
Yeah.
Rapid.
Well, you're going to see. We haven't seen it, so we'll watch the episode and we'll see. But Dave can happily say it went well on that. Was it Mexico?
Yeah. Took me up the Mexican strip.
The Autobahn.
Yeah.
So, what you got to say, Dave?
Like, follow, share and subscribe.
If you got anything you want to sell us, let us know. We're not buying anything else, are we?
No, we'll buy anything, mate. Literally. And if it's got a dent or a front end or, you know what I mean, like stuff like this, we love it. We'll pay extra money for it. That's it, Dave.
We're sick.
Don't want any oil on it.
We're sick of the sight of it now.
That